Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. So today we are doing another cooking vlog, but today I'm not alone in the kitchen. I have someone, a chef in the kitchen. So let me introduce him. Drum roll. Ta-da! Monkey chef in the house. So guys, today he's going to be making fish, and already some of the ingredients are ready. We had not planned to vlog, but all of a sudden tukajambia si to vlog. So some of the ingredients alikuwa ametengeneza. So let's get into it guys. Watch as he does his thing in the kitchen. Yeah, so let me jifunga kitambaa because kitchen maafro zangu zinaweza anguka kwa chakula. So let's get to it guys. So hapa, here are the ingredients. Hapa kuko na oil, cooking oil. We have onions, ginger and garlic. Then we have coriander, dania yani coriander. We have pilipili pepper, ni red pepper ama ni yes, pilipili. Then we have our two samakis. Ni tilapia ama ni gani hizi? I don't know, I think ni tilapia. I'm not a fan of fish, but today I'm going to try nisikie venye zina taste. Then hapa kwa blender we have tomatoes. What are they called? These hoho za red. Zinaitangwa hizo hoho, whatever, hizo hoho za red, I don't. Capsicum, the red and the yellow one. Then we have few onions. Kuna kitu kingine chef? Then there's ginger and garlic. So guys, as we always say, cooking is an art. You can add as many things as you want. Kama hapa tuko na mixed spices, tuko na paprika, hii ni pilau masala, nutmeg, there is cumin, cinnamon, black pepper. So you can add as many things as you want, but for us, I think we're going to use 2 mixed spices. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, watch out. So we have this pan. Unfortunately, my pan is a small one. My non-stick pan is very tiny, and I use it to share like fish ikiwa imelala hivi after making your paste. So he's going to make paste yake hapa. Then we are going to transfer it on this pan. Though I don't understand venye hii pan itashikilia hiyo samaki ama hiyo paste, but let me just see it practically. So you add your oil. You add your oil so that you can karanga your kitungurus. You add your oil. After adding your oil, you let it ikuwe moto kidogo ama inakuwa moto, you add to. You add your onions. I'm hoping hata itatoshea hii kitu. Itatoshea. You add your onions. Ginger na garlic kwa nini. So guys, we are now adding ginger and garlic. Ginger and garlic ndio ziive pamoja. So now he's adding the mixed spices in your mixed spices kwa the what is called the onions, so that like onion ikiva enough and iki ndio taste yani ishiki ama ni taste ishikie huko. So our fish, if it's not going to touch a fish mbili. Eh? Eh? Weke sasa. Mama mgoje brown.
Brown. Iko sawa hiyo brown. Brown.
Then you go to me chef. Okay. Okay, so the onions are browning, and Monkey is about he's about to add the paste, the tomatoes and the blended tomatoes, the blended paste. We are making the paste because the fish is deep fried already. You buy deep fried fish, yeah, the paste ndio here. We are not wasting anything. So the paste now is salt. So then he's going to add salt. Mtu anaweza add coconut milk. You can add whatever you want to add. You can add whatever you want to add to make the fish tasty. Kulingana huku ni wapi, tunaweza weka hata waru kwa hii samaki.
Na waru.
Yeah, the soup. Tunaweza dunga waru na carrots na cabbage mix. As we wait for it to kuiva, the other pan is getting hot. Yenye sasa tutaiweka. Ina turn out vizuri. So far so good. This fish, you buy them fresh uko Gikomba, then they deep fry them for you. Wanazeka kwa mafuta, then ndio unakuja ku make as you wish. Yeah, so zinauzwa Gikomba. I think each was 300 bob. Yeah, which is, I think it's a fair price kulingana na huku kwingine. Saa zingine you can find hii kitu like for like 500 bob. Yeah, or 600, but Gikomba walikuwa nauza 300, which is affordable.
Tuweke paste kidogo hapa. Tuweke base for the fish. Then we put the fish hapo katikati. Then tumwagilie the paste ndio both sides.
Also you're going to transfer kidogo paste kwa hiyo pan. Don't mind my nails. Ndio ikuwe base because the pan is so hot. Ikuwe base so that we can add our So guys, now we are going to ekelea our fish there and ikunywe hiyo paste. Fish mbili hamoja. Forgive us, we don't have a nice pan. Hiyo hizi toshea. Hizi toshea mbili. Hizi toshea mbili.
Yeah, my manners. Yeah, my manners.
So, hold it. Gosh, kitchen imekuwa so messy. The gas is so messy. But we are going to kupanguza. So guys, mpaka kichwa una nini, you add your paste. Then I think then you can add your coriander.
Yeah.
For those who love their coriander cooked, kama mimi, can add few olives.
Now you can. You can have it.
So the fish is soaked in the paste. It's smelling so nice. I mean, the aroma is so nice. Yeah, wow. Now you turn it. Yeah, your paste, you can name it. Oh no. You can see the mouth of the fish is, oh, that paste is so nice. Our fish is ready, and let me show you how it turned out. So guys, we are going to serve our fish with ugali. Our yellow ugali is ready, and greens. So guys, our meal is ready. You serve your ugali. You serve your fish, your ugali, and your greens. Our greens ni spinach. And yeah, that's it guys. That's the sumptuous meal. We are going to eat the fish. Yeah. So guys, let me taste the fish so that before I end the vlog, I can tell you how it tastes like. It's super tasty. Yeah, so hell, I can't wait to eat. So guys, the fish is super tasty, and we're now going to sit down and eat. So hiyo process yenye tumetumia na hiyo fish ya kwanza is the same process that he's going to use in the second one. Yeah, and you can sit down and eat. But as for this video, I think I'm going to end it here. Till next time, bye. Bye.
Go.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's another cooking vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here,
Tiga go.